Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Saucer Manager 2026 game not working, not opening, keep stopping, not starting problem on Android phones. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your device, and once your device restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for Saucer Manager 2026 app update. So open Play Store, tap on search, search for Saucer Manager 2026 and then tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check Saucer Manager 2026 football app is working or not. Solution 4 is to force stop or force close Saucer Manager 2026 app. So tap and hold the SM26 app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and then again click on force stop to confirm it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to also clear the Saucer Manager 2026 app cache. So again tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then go to the storage usage and then click on clear cache and then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then also tap on clear data. Now please take a note over here. Clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. Now if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to allow the background activity for Saucer Manager 2026 app. So again tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info and then go to the battery usage and then check mark the first option, that is allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store such as Ninja VPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Brave VPN, Secure VPN, NordVPN, Express VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Saucer Manager 2026 app. So simply tap and hold SM26 app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it, and then just restart your device. And once your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Saucer Manager and then tap on it and then click on install button to reinstall it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the last thing you must do is to check for the Saucer Manager app server status. So if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outage, then you can't do anything. You just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Saucer Manager 2026 app not working, not opening, keep stopping or not starting problem on Android device. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.